The babies are big enough that they've been moved to the bathtub. Also, their eyes are completely open. I believe they are currently 2 weeks and 1 day old. And they are just doing so well. Oh, little sneezes. So adorable. And Mom is just as relaxed as ever. These guys, oh, they're growing so fast. They're growing so fast. I mean, already they're big enough that I sort of would need 2 hands to hold them. You know, without pieces of them hanging off the edges. Oh, and Rayon. Oh, he's getting so big. He is. I think he's the biggest of them. Yeah, he's the biggest by like a 1/10 of an ounce or a gram. I'm not sure what unit of measure my mom has been weighing them in, but oh. And at long last, none of them have their umbilical cords attached anymore. Poplin. So, Poplin, Buckskin, Rayon, Paisley, and Tweel. All doing very well, very healthy, and I am just so very happy to have them. No.